Hello children, this is Parnima teacher from Toddledom Pre-Primary section of St. Paul's High School. Today I welcome you in online classes for maths period. Yes, so children, in the last videos we have already learnt the concept big and small. Yes, you have done the pictures, we have seen so many examples related to big and small concept. Now today in this period we are going to learn the other concept, that is up and down. Yes, when you climb up the stairs we say we are going up. Yes, and when you get down we say we are coming down the stairs. Yes, you go up on the floor. When your home is on the 5th floor, then what you will do? You will climb up the stairs. And if your home is on ground floor, what you will do? From the terrace, if you have to go on the ground floor, what you will do? You will climb down the stairs. Yes, we go up, we go down. This is up sign, this is down sign. Okay, this is up sign, this is down sign. When you fly kite, where do you fly? Up in the sky. Yes, you fly the kite up in the sky. And where do the vehicles run? It runs on the road. Yes, on the road. It does not go up in the sky. It is on the road. Yes, down on the road. When you play game, children, you have seen a swing there that is called seesaw. Yes, we enjoy a lot this. So, when you play seesaw, how does it goes? One is sitting down like this and one is going on top. So, when we play on the swing, the seesaw goes up, down, up, down. Yes, it goes like this. So there are so many examples related on this topic, up and down. So today we are going to learn this concept with the help of few examples. So same like big and small, again we are going to draw the picture in our M1 notebook and we will learn this concept up and down. So let us start our. So children, first let us start by putting the date on top. So this was the date 07-1010-2121. Besides the date, write CW. Now the topic of our today's video is concept. So write capital cursive C, join and write O, N, C, E, P, T. Concept. And what is the topic of concept? That is up, UP, up. Put a slash in the center and write capital cursive D, O, W, N, down. Up, down. Now we will start with the example. So what all things you can see in the sky, children? First thing, you see sky on upside. Am I correct? When you come out of your house, when you see up, you see sky. And in the sky, in the clouds, we see sun. So this is our first example. Let us draw the picture of sun. Make a circle. Make standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. And in the centers, put small slanting line. So these are the rays of sun. Where do you see the sun? We see sun up in the sky. Now keep some gap one finger gap and we'll draw the next picture. So dear children, you see sun in the morning up in the sky. What do you see in the night? Correct. We see moon in the sky at night. So let us draw the picture of moon. You have to make a curve towards upward and then join it again with a backward curve like this to make the moon. Now again put one finger gap. What else do you see up in the sky at night? So many you can see it. Yes, that is star, and it is very easy to draw. First make a triangle, slanting line, sleeping line, and then make one upside down triangle. For that make sleeping line first and then slanting line down, slanting line down. So these pictures we found always up in the sky. Yes, sun, moon, stars. So let us write the concept up over here. Write capital cursive U, join and write small cursive P. That is up. These are the examples of up concept. Now, here also you have drawn these pictures up in the notebook. Yes, now let us come down and we'll draw the concept down over here. So keep at least 2 finger gap or 2 block gap and draw small triangle. Then extend a sleeping line from tip of the triangle. Come down with a slanting line. Join it with the triangle like this. Now come down with standing line and standing line. Join all the 3 standing line with sleeping line. Now let us make inside the rectangle a small rectangle to make the door and small square to make the window. So this is our house. Now let us keep 1 finger gap and we'll draw one more picture. That is, you have to make back curve, one front curve and join it with a jumping line like this. Yes, you guessed it right. It is a picture of tree. So this way you have to make the tree. Now what is the third picture? Let us see. Keep 1 finger gap. Make a sleeping line. Go up with standing line. Go towards right with a sleeping line. Now from the first sleeping line, come down with standing line. Go right with sleeping line. Make a circle. Inside that make the image of standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Then again make a sleeping line. Make one more tire. For that make circle. Then from top come down with standing line and join it with sleeping line. Yes, and inside it you have to make 2 small windows. So our van is ready. So children, these pictures where do you find? Correct, we find down on the ground. House on the ground. Trees on the ground. Van down on the ground. Yes, it runs down on the road. So write the spelling capital cursive D-O-W-N, down. So these are the examples of up and down concept. So dear children, I hope with so many examples now you are well versed with the topic of concept up and down. Yes? So keep practicing at home, draw more of pictures. Yes, you have so many examples more left. You can draw simple drawing and can practice at home. So I will meet you soon in the next video very soon. Till then, take care of your health and have a good day. Bye bye.